Good morning, YouTube. Today we're gonna fix the 458 because it's got a warning light in the dash that is probably the world's most overcomplicated warning light. Like, it's way over the top for something so simple. Let me show you what's going on.
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
Alright, so we're in the car and we gotta wait for everything. Yeah, it's gonna complain about the batteries plugged in, that the door is open. I don't think it actually comes on until I start the car, so hold on a second. We got the car unplugged and I'm gonna start it up real quick and then it'll start showing the error. Takes a second. There we go. Adaptive control failure for the light. And if you notice now, I've got a blinking light in the dash, and once we clear this, it gives me a solid light there. So I've got two warning indicators for this small problem. It's a little bit overkill for what's basically a headlight malfunction. So this video is sponsored by Ricambia America. They sent me the fix for this. Hopefully the fix. We think it's the fix. So it's part number 277281. It's the adaptive headlight control module, or adaptive headlight control ECU. I mean, I get it. This is probably something that no one else really has go wrong because it's electronic, so it's either working or it's not. But anyway, it's located over there on the passenger side underneath all the plastic trim. So we'll pull off the trim, swap this out. Hopefully that thing will go away and stop blinking at me because it's really annoying. I'm really getting sick of looking at it. First thing to do is remove the trim that's around the trunk. You just pull it up, literally just pull it up. There. We gotta remove this panel, those two panels. Although we might be able to just remove this one. I guess, yeah, we could probably just remove this one. Then we're gonna have to do as much work. Okay, we got a bunch of 3mm Allens. And then we also have two Phillips screws, just to make it interesting. And we have a giant T30 Torx, or Torx head. Trim piece just kind of pulls out. It's gonna be a little tricky because it's a blade under that one. There we go. There. Okay, there's the module, and as you can see, it's gonna be easy to get to this side. The other side is way under there. That's gonna be a little bit tricky. Yeah, since it's so difficult to get in there, what I think I'm gonna do is try removing this bolt to 10mm, and then there's another one in there. I think then the whole like control module mounts will come out. I think it's gonna be a little bit easier to deal with. Ooh. See if I can get in there. Yeah, I have no idea. I think to remove the headlights you have to remove the bumper. I really don't want to have to do that. Oh wow, this is a tight one. We're gonna try a shorty wrench. Maybe this will get in there a little better, because I really have no leverage. Ah, there we go. That's the way to do it. Alright, finally getting somewhere. Alright. Now that the module is out, we have to pop it off. Looks like there's a little pin. There we go. Come on. Ah, there. Ta-da! Alright, got the new module. And I gotta make sure I line it up the right way. It goes this way. And okay, that's that. Now, it goes in this way. We'll screw this part back on first. Let's kind of hold this in place. Get this aligned just right. This one's gonna be a bit tough. I gotta do it totally by feel. Oh, I think I got it. A new ECU module is in there. The new headlight ECU module is in there. Hopefully that's gonna fix it. It's entirely possible it's not gonna fix it. And if that's the case, then we're probably gonna give up on this, and maybe I'll disable that light in the dashboard, because then we have to probably replace the headlights, and these are $3,500 headlights used. So yeah, I don't feel like doing that. Let's get the trim piece back in place. last but not least, the trim piece. The weather stripping, whatever you call it. So now that the new module's in there, we'll start up the car, see if it goes away. We might have to plug in the computer and clear out all the faults. It's entirely possible that there's still a fault registering. I'm not 100% confident it's just gonna go away on its own. I think we're gonna have to put in the computers. Let's start it up first, see if that works, and then if not, we'll plug in the computer. All right, let's see if it goes away. Oh no! It didn't go away. Son of a bitch. Alright, let's try plugging in the computer and see if we can reset it. Alright, we're firing up my Launch X431. Alright, go into the application. First we're just going to do a diagnose and see what codes show up. There's a bunch of codes on this car because, well, it's a Ferrari. We're going to do a health report. Just going to scan everything. And you can see while it's doing that, it does cause a bunch of the stuff to show up on the dash. Doesn't mean that they're actually broken. It's just the computer doesn't like it when the car is on and you're scanning stuff, so we'll see what we get. Alright, so it's complaining about an engine failure, a tire pressure one. Ah, here we go, headlight. What's the fault code? It's those are the two errors we're dealing with. Let's screenshot that. So let's try clearing the fault and see if it comes back. Yes. Cleared, and it comes back. Son of a bitch. Yep, came right back. Well, shit. That didn't fix it. So I think it is something messed up with the headlights, which means I'm not fixing that. There's no way I'm gonna spend $6,000+ just to get the headlights that they can automatically raise and lower and stupid crap like that. It's pretty stupid. Damn. Sorry, Canvy sent me those parts for nothing. But that was the best shot we had. I'm gonna have to do a little more Googling. I don't know if this is a problem anyone else has ever experienced. See if anyone has a 458 that's had this problem. Yeah, if you guys have any ideas, I'm open to suggestions. Stumped on this one. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for now. You know the drill. Like, share, subscribe. Help me out. If you want to help contribute to DIY projects, go visit bit.ly/NGS supporter. Contribute if you can. Otherwise, just sharing and liking and commenting and subscribing. Those all help the channel tremendously. So thank you guys. We're going to be doing a lot of car stuff. It's going to be sweet.